Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk through how to make YouTube Kids account. Here are the steps to make a YouTube Kids account on your Android. First, unlock your mobile phone and make sure it's connected to the internet. Open the Google Play Store from your home screen or app drawer. Tap the search bar and type YouTube Kids. Then press the search button. Tap Install and wait for the app to finish downloading. Once installed, tap Open to launch the YouTube Kids app. On the welcome screen, tap Get Started to begin the setup. Read the information about the app and tap Next or Continue. Sign in using your Google account. You must be an adult account holder. Now tap Sign In and follow the prompts to verify your account. Google may ask you to enter your password. Then after that, tap Confirm. Tap Add a Child and enter your child's first name, age, and birth month or year. Choose the content setting for your child, for example, preschool, younger, or older. Review and tap Select to confirm your choice, and tap Done. The child's profile will be created. Tap the profile icon to enter YouTube Kids. You can now explore, supervise, or adjust parental controls anytime by tapping the gear icon at the bottom corner and entering your password. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.